Hey everybody, happy Mask Monday Ladies and Friends Collaboration Day. I hope you guys had a really nice start to the new year and hope you're doing okay this winter season. We had a warm-up this last week here in Wisconsin. It was in the mid 30s to mid 40s. We even had rain a couple days. Hardly any snow on the ground. I'm filming this on Sunday and we had a little bit of snow, just a little bit on Saturday. But for the most part, it's gone. Let's get into the mask. I'm going to go ahead and use, for a second time, the one I was using last week. This is Tony Moly's I'm Macgioli. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. I really liked it, and there was a lot of serum in here. So I threw the mask back in and put it back in the refrigerator. So I like getting 2 uses out of stuff, and I thought I'm just going to use this one again. I have a whole bunch of these. I just found them in my storage. I'm sure I've used them in the past, but it's been a very long time. So, very minimal scent or fragrance to them. So whatever is in this, at least it's not heavily scented. For anybody who has issues with fragrance, it does have a scent, but it's not particularly strong. All right, well, good enough. Let's see if we get any more serum out of here. It was really a lot of serum last week. There's a little bit, so I'm gonna just wet down and push down this mask. Ooh, yes. It's not perfectly clear. Put a little on my nose. Drag it down my neck. Okay, a little on the hands. Let's get this on, and I have a couple of items to open with you guys. Let's see. At least one item I got on TikTok, and the other 2 are items from INFLUENSTER that are coming in. So just a couple items. I'm going to show you the TikTok item first. I already opened it. I just was a little concerned that it arrived safely. And honestly, it's not even beauty related. It's household related. So that is this little gem. What it is for is caulking, like around showers, bathtubs. So there is the removal tool. There's all these attachments to it too. So you basically, there's like a scraper, and then there is these attachments that help you when you reapply. You can kind of determine how thick the new caulk would be in the area. So as you can see, there's already one attached, but so this would be the end that you would start with. It starts removing the old caulk, and then you can't really, let me pull that off. There's like a scraper to help scrape off whatever's left. And then these various different attachments would go on here if you choose to use that. Otherwise, there's like a hand scrape tool, probably for corners and things. And then there are some handheld tools also for like applying the new caulk. So there's various corners that you would use to get various outcomes to make it look however you want it to look. There's a whole bunch of tools. So I do have a little bit of caulking that I think I need to get replaced. So I'm going to enlist my older brother, and hopefully his expertise in doing these sorts of little tiny home repairs and improvements, he can help me get that sorted out. So I got this little combination set off the TikTok shop. I think it was like $10 or less. I don't actually remember. So you know what, if it lasts me once or twice, I'm good. I mean, I just need it to do what I need it to do. Okay, so we got this little box. I did open it. I was just concerned that everything was okay. It's pretty nondescript. No brand names on it. You know, just a shipping label. I'm pretty excited about this product. Nicely protected in here. So let's pull it out. So this is a brand you guys should be familiar with. This is Paula's Choice, and this is a Cellular Youth Longevity Serum 1 ounce. So I did get this free for my honest review from INFLUENSTER. I, of course, literally just unboxed it with you guys. It literally just came in the mail. So I opened the box, and that's as far as I got. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I have not opened this. Oh, cute. Love me some purple. Paula's choice. Let's pop this off. Nice little pump. Looks like easy to use. So that looks really nice. I am eager to use that. Let's see what the box has to say. We can't read the French. That would be horrible to hear me try to slaughter French. Look younger, longer. This breathtaking formula was crafted over 5 years with a proprietary age-defying complex to avoid, to visibly slow 12 signs of aging. And those are, I don't know, could the text be a little smaller? Fade discoloration, firms, lifts, brightens, smooths fine lines, reduces this appearance of wrinkles, reduces texture, visibly boosts elasticity, strengthens your barrier, hydrates, plumps, and supports the microbiome. So very cool. Was super excited when this came into the app as an availability item that I could grab, and I grabbed it. I'm really eager to try this. I will be starting to try this now that I have it. Next item. This is the last item I have to unbox with you guys, so it'll be a nice quick video. Okay, this is for us curly hair girls, and my hair's a mess today. It's a curly hair girl product. So it's the Garnier Fructis Curl Knot Melter, which kind of scares me, but you know, melting my hair doesn't sound great, but that's to me a little bit of a marketing miss. But anti-breakage milk, 12% protein complex with coconut oil, no sulfates, and cruelty-free. So there's the box. So again, this is from INFLUENSTER. Again, free for my honest review. So I will be also starting to try this week. This came in 2 days ago. And of course, knowing what it was, I didn't open the box, but I do like that they put it in a bag, which anything that goes through the mail has to be marked as liquid. So, all right. It does. I see vegan formula, Garnier Fructis Curl Knot Melter, sulfate-free, multi-use, anti-breakage, detangling milk. It says pre-wash primer, post-wash detangler, heat styling protector, refreshes between washes, moisturizer for styling. 8 times smoother detangling for all curl types. So the thing that scares me about some of these like easy to be found at Target, Walmart type things is product buildup. But you guys know I actually have found some really nice products I've been using to avoid product buildup. But this says no sulfates, no phthalates, no DMDM hydantoin. So that's good. Vegan formula. There's a lot in here. It is 8.5 fluid ounces, 250 milliliters. I do want to smell it and see if it smells funny. Ooh, it smells really good if you like the smell of like coconut, sort of that sunscreen beachy smell. It smells really nice. Coconut oil on the hair. I know some people love it and I know some people don't like it. So I will be trying this. Pretty pumped to try it. You know, like I said, I've got curly hair and I have a lot of product in this right now. I actually have a leave-in conditioner in here I've been using, and it's going to need a wash for sure Monday morning. So we'll be trying these 2 products for INFLUENSTER. Looking forward to trying them both. Yeah, I really appreciate INFLUENSTER's been giving me a lot of just fun products to try. Some I qualify for, some I don't, and that is what it is. I try not to get too upset about it. I am using that Valentino Born in Aroma perfume, and I actually really am enjoying it. My one comment on it right now, because I've only just started using it. I've had it for a while and just kind of set it aside, and now I've been using it. The top notes, the notes that initially hit when you first spray it, confuse me. I get hit from like 3 different smells and stuff, but I do really like the end of it. So I need to pay a little bit more attention. Usually with a perfume, there's your initial notes. There's like a medium note that hits about 2-3 minutes in, and then there's the final fragrance, which is it's on your body, and this is what it's going to smell like when you're wearing it. So I need to pay a little bit more attention to that and see what I think. But so far, I am liking it. So anyway, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you're having a great, like I said, start to the beginning of the year. For my other channel, Barn Besties, or at Barnyard Besties WI here on YouTube, my friend Megan and I are working on scheduling a whole bunch of live streams. In fact, tonight, when you guys see this, Monday night, we're going to have a live stream. So my business partner, Megan, with the channel, she is in California for 3 months. So it just makes for a little bit different scheduling because we're separate, to, 2 time zones away from each other, but it's a lot later here than it is there in the evening when we do things. So, but we do have one this evening. We've got a bunch of them scheduled if you check out our channel. I'm really excited. I asked a friend of mine, long friend of mine, horse person. She's going to be on the channel towards the end of this month, in January. She is a veteran of, I think, 4 Olympic Games, Paralympic Games, World Championships, and World Equestrian Games in the sport of para-dressage. So she is, she worked kind of for Team USA for some of the Paralympic riders over the years. So she was in Athens, Rio, London. So she's got a lot of stories to talk about for not the Olympic side, but the Paralympic side. So we're really excited to talk to her. And of course, it is in the sport of equestrian because that is the channel. But I think it's going to be really interesting. The Winter Olympics is, set to start shortly in a few weeks here. And then, unless things change because of the current situation in the world, LA is supposed to be hosting the Olympics soon. So I just thought it was going to be really fun and timely discussion. And I have been a long time supporter because of my friend of the para sports, especially the Paralympic equestrian sports. So if you guys can make it, again, we've got a live stream tonight. This is the gal that we're going to have this evening is a presenter at Midwest Horse Fair and a dressage trainer in the Midwest. But my friend Alex will be later in the month, and you can check that out on the channel and hit the reminder so that you're reminded when the live stream comes up. But it's towards the end of the month. So, all right. Thank you, Influenster. I'm excited to try these products, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, have a great week. Bye, everybody.